Heyo, Agent of Divine, here to help you escape the hell of a matrix that is being forced upon us humans. Roughly the first 7 years of our childhood, we are in a studying and observing stage of life, aka programming our subconscious into comfortable thought patterns and beliefs. Now, explain to me what you think power-hungry, satanic, pedophile, hierarchy people would fill this programming with. We have been programmed since day one to live a life that these elites want us to live in. And what is this doing? This is just keeping them in supreme power. I am here to help you retake control of your reality. How? By reprogramming our brains back into nature. Us human beings have been put on this planet, Earth, to exist. We are here purely to exist and experience life. Life and the lessons that it gives us. These elites have robbed us. Let me make that clear. They have robbed us from our pure existence to live, and instead replaced it with a system that steals us from our freedom. A system that has converted us from human being into human doing. The sad truth is that these elites have hidden what the true world is from us, what true human beings are, spiritual beings. I'm here to guide you to tap into reality, to our human nature, to nature itself. Let me put this in your mind. Think about if you were living on Earth 10,000 years ago. Freedom was all you knew. There was no ego, fear, insecurities holding you back. The purpose of life was to exist, to survive. There was no countries or nations. There was tribes. The present world is not what it's supposed to be. It is a society where you have to go to school, pay all this money for education, which only further indoctrinates us into their matrix, and get a job, pay taxes. You see, if you start to add it all up, it starts to seem that you're living for the authority, for the elite. Life is not supposed to be like this. Present life is controlled by power-hungry elites that use us like moronic slaves. To the people watching this video that may be considered sleep, I must make this clear to you, that the power is in no way, shape, or form in the hands of the presidents. It is the people behind who are the root cause of the manipulation that is happening every second of the day. The system that us humans are under is complete hell, and it has been that way since religion. They have put hell and Satan into the minds since we were babies. Then further tell us that there is an external power up there and that it'll come down here and save us all? You gotta be kidding me. Yet really, the power is internal. It is in here, in us spiritual beings. Yet, really they tell us otherwise. And why do you think? To maintain separation, individualism, and their power. Divide and conquer the human population. The last thing these guys want, these elites, is for us to unite. This is just the beginning of the name Agent of Divine. So I've got big plans. Plans which are full of true love to help fellow people like you watching. If you would like to hear more from Agent of Divine, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. It will further motivate me on my journey of love and guidance. May my positive energy and positive vibrations bless you. From the heart, peace.